You need not to be the son of a great person to be a great person. All you need is just to be a son of a soil. Son of soil, my dear audience, is a very deep terminology to be understood. Such a person who can cross any limit, who can cross any limit for his nation, a person who cannot tolerate a single word against his country, and a person who loves his nation beyond any limits. Some of our personal belongings are so dear to us that we cannot even imagine thinking about losing them. And how can someone even think that we will sold our nation, our people, for the aid, for the purpose of some aid? And it is also said that a nation that destroys its soil destroys itself. My dear friends, who were those people? Who were those people who got slaughtered, who got disabled for the rest of their lives, and who burned their ships that we will not return without victory? And who were those people who defeated the enemy with a remarkable defeat in battleground? They were none other but the sons of the soil. In today's world, no one even dares to think about doing something that would provide them with loss. So how can you imagine about giving your lives and your fate in the hand of the people who are not capable of doing so? Actually, we are also not doing so. Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan, son of this soil, son of this nation, revolutionized the entire atomic study throughout the world. And Abdul Star Idi, who was running the world's largest ambulance service for the aid of people of his nation and none other. It is not necessary that only a person standing on the border can have these ideas and thoughts in his mind. But some of us, in fact all of us, are the sons and the daughters of the soil only and only if we do our jobs with perfection. Son of soil, Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Janab will live in our hearts forever and ever. He led this nation to freedom. From aligned subjugation, he took on the narrative to task to unite the people. It was not achieved easily with the hard work of a few days or months or a year. Everything is possible on this world, but my dear friends, that needs sacrifice, and sacrifice is not for everyone. For giving a sacrifice, you should have a heart of lion in your chest. And it is also our duty to fight and to stand for the dignity of such people, because it is said that your prayer life is much like tending a garden. You have to work the soil, put out the weeds and water the ground. You have to provide them with sunlight, else all in vain. Mr. President, I can do anything for my nation. I am the son of soil. Not I, but all of us are the sons and daughters of soil. At last but not the least, I would like to say, "ए पुत्र हटान ते नहीं विकदे, तू लब्दियां विच बाजार कुड़े, तू लब्दियां विच बाजार कुड़े."